Day one, Ford Ranger Ford Ranger wheel arch repair, driver's side. Let's see here. So you can see I got a lot of, previous owner had done some Bondo fill in here, and anyway, I'm just tired of looking at it. I want to see if I can do something about it. You can see there's a radius curve that goes all the way through to about here, and everything else is solid from here. It's a there's two panels on. There's an inner panel and an outer panel. The inner panel also is a little bit rusty, so I might have to get behind that and do that as well. So anyway, I'm just banging away. I just want to see to the extent of poker hammer to see how bad this actually is and how far up in the panel does it go. So I'm only going to take out what's not needed. Meaning I'm only going to remove the metal that's corrupted. I'm not going to cut any more than what's not needed. So let's see what we got here. That and that. Goes right about to there. Then you bond it all the way up into here. Alright. So I'm gonna cut that out. Let's see what else did he do. He smeared Bondo up in here. The metal's good there. The metal's good there. So I'm mostly filming this stuff for posterity's sake, because I want to try to do exactly the same thing I need on the other side as well. So, with that being said, I'm going to use this here. I think I'm going to see. Yeah, let's go right about here. I'm gonna use this piece. Let me just figure out what I want to do here. A little high. Anyway, there's a curve in there, I know that. And there's a curve here. It's a slight radius curve, I know that. But that's kind of what I'm looking for. And then it extends up into here. All right. Anyway, so I do that now. The idea is I'm gonna probably cut and butt this piece in, and then I'll work on the inside and just make a template from there. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna cut. This is just my guideline, and I'll cut this out and we'll go from there. It's a little high though. Anyway, so that's a rough template. I'm gonna go to my little table and do some cutting and see what I come up with. Alright.